Imagine living steps or even a golf cart ride to the renowned Black Gold Golf Club. You've got an incredible 18 holes that you can play here, an amazing bar and grill with derricks. You can come have brunch here on the weekend. It's all walking distance to your dream home that's right around the corner. Not to mention, you're also steps to all of the restaurants and conveniences that Yorba Linda has to offer. You have the Yorba Linda Town Center, you have Terra Wood Fire Grill, Evans Smokehouse Barbecue, you have Stefano's, you have the Blind Pig, so many restaurants to choose from. More importantly, if you like the outdoor environment too, you've got over 30 parks. You've got the Yorba Linda Redwoods. You've got hiking trails over 100 miles to enjoy biking, walking, running, horseback riding. It's all here with this amazing property located in the Vista del Verde community, specifically the Legends neighborhood, and you are going to fall in love. Welcome home. How about this curb appeal? First off, this area here is perched up very nicely. Imagine a table setting here, starting your morning out with this gorgeous view of the city. You could see Catalina Island, or at nighttime with a glass of wine, seeing the lights, possible little peekaboo view of the Disney fireworks show. This property covers all the amenities you're looking for in a 5,000 square foot home. Let's come inside and see the rest. Welcome home. We are about to start on this incredible tour of Nicholas Road. Now, right when you walk in, you've got the double door entry, which is gorgeous, nice and grandiose, up your gorgeous staircase. But before we go upstairs, let's talk about this entry, our foyer area. You've got these beautiful 23 by 23 tiles that just go all throughout the property. I wore my good socks for you today. This is one of those homes where you want to definitely preserve this incredible flooring. Right when you walk through your entry, you're greeted by this amazing chandelier and just this gorgeous circular foyer area, 20-foot high ceilings. It's absolutely beautiful. You've got a few rooms to play with right when you walk in. We're going to start off here with your living room area, which is your typical living room. You've got the nice seating area here by the fireplace. You have a few options you can run here. If you don't want the traditional style living room, you can make this the kids' playroom. You can make this the music room. You can also just make it an entertaining sitting space, really. We've seen some folks actually take this framing out and put some doors that go outside. So you have a lot of options. And I like that it actually is right next door to your dining room, which this small little wall here, this wall space here is really neat because it's just a faux wall. You can actually knock this down and make this entire space from the dining room to the living room even grander than it is. So you have that flexibility and options, as well as another option to make an outdoor window or doorway to go out to your backyard. Now, you also have adjacent to your living room space, the office. Check this space out. This is really neat because we've seen some folks who don't want to use the office space, but they actually turn this into the learning area. This is where people were homeschooling their kids, so it's a nice space in here. I know for those of you that need 6 bedrooms or are looking for more, you can actually add this into another bedroom. So there's a lot of flexibility with this space in here. I just love that it has the high ceilings, the nice lighting, and it's open and it's perfect size. We're gonna take you over to what I believe is the heart of the home. Typically you think just the kitchen, but in this property, it's the great room experience here. You've got your massive family area that connects over to your kitchen, but I absolutely love this space for a few reasons. If you've got a growing family, this is perfect to grow into. If you already have a big family, you have all the space you need. The windows behind me could easily be converted into a big sliding door system or a La Cantina door system where you can go outside, and then you're creating the perfect outdoor-indoor vibe, which is what we're seeing a lot of homeowners do. I absolutely love all of the flexibility you get in this room. You've got the gorgeous fireplace and mantle. This is your second fireplace that you have. Look at all of this desk space here. You want to work from your nook there, you can. You've got the seating area here. So for a lot of folks today, they're doing combination spaces. So it's not like, you have the grand dining room area for parties and cocktails and stuff, but you also have just the practical eating area, which is this space here that opens up into the great room as well. So the kitchen, right? Normally the chef's kitchen, you've heard all the verbiage. This is really for those culinary aficionados and those entertainers who love to have a good party. You have the space to do it in. First off, just this center island alone, okay? You've got the area for the bar stools, but you also have the utility sink here. This is perfect, especially when you're hosting. And trust me, when you buy this home, you're going to be hosting parties, get-togethers, and events. So whether it's you or your hired help, they're gonna be here in the station, getting everything ready for the property. And then over here, you've got this incredible commercial grade 6-burner stove with the griddle. You can have a chef throwing down here for all of your favorite events. One of the things I love about this kitchen is how all the appliances are flush and built into the property. It's perfect. You got the double oven here stacked on each other. You've got plenty of cabinetry space that surrounds the entire kitchen premises. And then check out this pantry. You've got all the things you need in here, plus a wine rack. You have all that you need to make the perfect dinner party happen, or just even a get together. You got the built-in microwave here, the double door open fridge, as well as the coffee station and the built-in wine racks. So if you like to entertain, I love that this kitchen is both functional and stylish. So it's perfect for that inner chef in all of us. Now let's keep this party going. Before we go outside, I want to show you the rest of the house. Obviously, we've got a gorgeous spot upstairs we're going to get to, but I want to just show you, we do have a downstairs bedroom and bathroom, and pretty neat that this property was done with the laundry room downstairs, as well as access to your third car garage here, which we're seeing a lot of folks turn that third car, if they don't need it, into an ADU, guest house and so forth, with still access to the house. Another little fun feature that I like, they're becoming really popular now. We're seeing it a lot more. Is check this out. It's a bidet here in the, what is this? The downstairs bathroom. It was supposed to do this. The bidet is really cool. And I'm not gonna put my booty on there right now, but I just wanted you to know, you've got so many capabilities here with this. You can do some rear cleaning. You can do some front cleaning. You can do dryer. It has so many functionalities that I think you're just gonna love it. And it's a cool little feature that not many homes have. So let's go upstairs because I want to show you 2 specific areas that I think you're just going to absolutely love. Come on. One of the many features that a lot of buyers tell us about our Toll Brother properties when we list them is this upstairs carousel. It is so luxurious and it just gives you this completely different vibe inside your home. I wanted to point out 2 quick features up here. The first one is this incredible balcony view out to your neighborhood. I just love everything about this because here's what I want you to think about. What if you put like a little water feature out here? You open this up, you got the bedrooms open, and you're just enjoying the vibes. I think it's gorgeous at nighttime and the daytime. And it's just a cool feature. Not many homes have balcony views from the front yard. Now, the second item I wanted to show you was this parlor room. Now, it's currently being used as an office like a lot of our clients are doing right now. But in here, the previous owner had built in a parlor. There was actually a card table here. There was so much fun happening here. Even though it is one of the bedrooms, I just thought it would be cool for you to recreate, if not a bedroom, the old parlor vibe in here with the card table. You've got the bar area, the TV. I mean, imagine just hanging out here, watching your favorite games. Or, okay, let's say you got the kiddos. Maybe you turn this into the kids' rooms, and instead of wine and beer, you've got juice boxes and high seas up there for them. Either way, it's a fun space. And then you've got this incredible shower space here. It's super roomy, nice and wide and long and tall. And I think you expect that with one of these gorgeous homes. They've got the bidet system in here as well. So your tushy is totally taken care of, as well as your entire body. Why don't you go take a look at the rest of the bedrooms and I'll meet you in the master suite. Ta-da! Shouldn't every master bedroom have double door entry? This luxury suite is fit for a king and a queen. Let me walk you through it. Right when you come inside, you have an entry area. You've got the dual fireplace. I love how my clients set this up as their coffee station, because this is really where you start most of your mornings in here. You got the paper, or who are we kidding? You're on your phone looking at all your social media pages. But I love that this entryway here kind of acts as its own. So the master bathroom, of course, we're continuing the theme with the double door entries. I mean, what else do you expect? Feel the presence in here is incredible. It's large, it's open, but yet when you walk in, you feel at peace. You feel really like it's time to relax, but also to start your day. You've got the stand-up shower over here, which, by the way, is huge. You've got the bench. I mean, we're really talking room for at least 2 to 3 people in here. You can hang out. You've got the dual shower heads. You've got a view into your room and tub with the jets. Let's talk about that, because when it's time to end the day, you want to be relaxing in here. I'm gonna tell you right now, my back is killing me. I'd love to be in there with the bubbles and the flowers, a little bit of champagne, pinkies up, you know the vibes. I love that gorgeous view you get out from your tub here of the 18th hole here at the world-renowned Black Gold Golf Club. All of the vibes in here are perfect for relaxation, but also getting ready for the day. You've got dual vanities. You also have a makeup station there as well. Plenty of lighting in here and walk-in closets for his and hers. All the room you need for all of your amenities. Now, let's take you over to where the magic happens, of course, in the master bedroom. The actual bedroom itself. You have so much space in here for a custom bed. You've got the television set up. You've got the dual fireplace. I love the tray ceilings with the crown moldings. It all is just dialed in, and the space in here is huge. And I believe it's what you expect for a home of this size. You can put any feature and fixture you want in this area because it's the perfect setting for it, and it has plenty of room. My favorite part of the master suite, of course, is this balcony view. It's absolutely gorgeous out here. You get that incredible view of the golf course, of the pond. You can have some sitting chairs out here, relaxing, enjoying, or you can have fun seeing that some of the golfers hack their way into a victory at the 18th hole. Either way, it's good vibes here in the balcony. And sometimes it just makes you want to kind of stand out here and really just sit and enjoy your home, your view, and just life. That's what I love about this property. I can't wait for you to see the backyard, and then we'll do a recap and bring it all together for you. So the backyard, now you're on 8,700 plus square feet of lot space. The backyard is perfect for those that don't want a lot of upkeep. You already have the pavers out here, the nice fire pit that goes on at nighttime. This is incredible. You've got the seat set up. You've got the covered patio area underneath here. If you want to stay away from the sun, you can actually set up a nice couch system here so you can enjoy those great grounds, seeing some golfers in action. Remember what we talked about. You can actually, the framing's already here for you to open up and put a sliding door out here, or you can put the La Cantina doors where it opens up over here. And then you have this indoor, outdoor vibe out here. Maybe put some recessed lightings up here. So the flexibility is there for you. But also if you're a minimalist, this is perfect. I can't tell you how many clients reach out to us and say, you know, I'm not looking for a pool home. I actually want something I don't have to worry about. I don't want to worry about grass. I want something very minimalistic. You get that experience here. What I love about this property is the peacefulness, the serenity back here, and really the privacy that you get. Even though you've got a golf course back here, you have to understand this isn't packed with people. It's sections at a time, and it just creates this amazing lifestyle back here that I think some of you will actually enjoy. Now let's do our recap and say farewell. I hope you enjoyed this incredible tour of 18257 Nicholas Road here in the land of gracious living, otherwise known as Yorba Linda. Let's recap everything we looked at. You've got 4 incredible bedrooms. One of those bedrooms is downstairs. You've got 4.5 bathrooms. That is a bathroom and a half downstairs as well. You've got the downstairs laundry, these 23 by 23 huge tiles that just bleed all throughout the property. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Incredible light fixtures, the culinary experience kitchen here that we talked about with the granite counters here. You've got the big center island. You've got the backsplash with the granite, the consistency here. All of the appliances flushed into the walls and cabinetry. That incredible 48-inch 6-burner and griddle stove. I mean, you can throw down some mean dishes on that piece right there. That's your kitchen space. And then it opens up into your great room experience that I absolutely love. You've got all the room in the world here to fit your personal belongings or recreate your own format here that you want to see. And I love that about this property. You've got the balcony, the views of the city lights off of 2 of the bedrooms. And then you've got this incredible balcony view of the 18th hole at the renowned Black Gold golf course here in Yorba Linda. I mean, just the vibes and the setting out there are absolutely pristine. More importantly, it just creates this seclusion and privacy that is really unmatched. On top of all of this, you get the lifestyle, your steps to some incredible walking trails. Derek's Grill right around the corner here at Black Gold. You can have brunch there. You've got Vista Del Verde Park if you want to take the kids over there to the playground. They've got the pickleball courts, the basketball courts. You can have some fun there. You also have some of the best restaurants in town. Walking distance, literally a golf cart ride away. Fano's, you've got Evans Smokehouse, the Blind Pig, Terra Wood-Fired Kitchen. You also have Bristol Farms, you have Regal Cinemas, and you have all the other amenities that you get here living in this incredible city. Let's take it a step further. You want to continue on with the Orange County lifestyle. You're minutes, 20-minute drive to Orange County beaches. You've got a 15 to 10-minute drive over to all the Orange County entertainment. You got Seagersome, you've got Angel Stadium, Honda Center, Disneyland, California Adventure, Downtown Disney, all the fun stuff. It's all minutes from this location. If you want to see this home in person, I'd love to share it with you. You can call me, you can text me. All my information is down below. And for those of you that are interested in our amazing listings before they come onto the market, give us a follow on Instagram or subscribe to our channel. You'll be the first to see these amazing products before they hit the marketplace. Take care.